Hello, good morning, students. Welcome to Skylark English School online program. Uh, in this third chapter, we are going to end up with this last exercise, that is 3.4. And here, we had already seen the different properties of parallelogram. That I'm going to explain you these properties once again. So, what are the properties of parallelogram? The opposite pair of sides are parallel to each other. Opposite sides are equal in length. Then opposite angles of parallelogram are equal, they are same. Then diagonals bisect each other and adjacent angles are supplementary, that is mean by 180. That already we have seen. Now we are going to compare these properties with the other type of quadrilaterals. Okay, so now I will show you how it is going to relate with other type of quadrilaterals. So in the figure it is given that the first figure is given is kite. So this is kite. What is given? What are the properties of kite? The adjacent side, these adjacent sides are equal in length. Okay, and only diagonal, they don't bisect each other. This diagonal is of equidistant. ये जो diagonal है वो this side is equal to this side, only one of the diagonal. Okay, second diagonal is not a bisector. So only the property is the adjacent side are equal. Then what is the property of parallelogram? It is the opposite sides, and this side and this side of parallelogram are same, but in the kite's adjacent sides are equal. So kite is not a parallelogram. So like this we are going to compare this with the different type of this quadrilaterals. Now we are going to take an example of rhombus. So first we are going to consider the properties of rhombus. What are the properties of rhombus? There are four sides, means it is a quadrilateral. Four sides of rhombus are equal in length. The diagonals bisect each other, and one extra property, that is they are perpendicular bisector of each other. Diagonals are perpendicular bisector, means they make the 90 degrees of angle. लेकिन पैरेललोग्राम के जो प्रॉपर्टीज है सेम आर विद द रोम्बस. सो रोम्बस इज अ पैरेललोग्राम. ओके, हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? फोर साइड्स आर इक्वल बट द ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल, जैसे कि पैरेललोग्राम के भी है. और द डायगोनल्स बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर, विच इज अ प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. सो रोम्बस is an parallelogram. Okay, next we turn to the rectangle. This is a rectangle. What are the properties of rectangle? Opposite sides are parallel to each other, which is a property of parallelogram also. Then all the angles are same in length, 90 degrees, means opposite angles are same, isn't it? ये 90 है तो ये 90 है, ये 90 है तो then that is also a same property. Okay, so rectangle is a parallelogram. लेकिन rectangle के और क्या properties है? All angles make the 90 degrees angle. That means they all measures the same. Okay, and opposite sides are equal in length and also parallel to each other. So that is a property of parallelogram also. So here they have given some examples to prove this also. We will see this. What is given here? Here is the outline to justify the property of rhombus. Okay, A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Is it a parallelogram or not? That we have to prove. तो ये आपको कैसे prove करना होगा? So since the diagonals bisect each other, properties आपको simplify करने हैं. Okay, so diagonals, that is bisect each other, means what? Both the sides, they make two equal halves, means OA, segment OA is equal to OC, segment OD is equal to OB, isn't it? See, here it is written. We have to show that major angle AOD is equal to major angle COD D, that we have to show them that is equal to 90 degrees, because this is an extra property, that is it makes a perpendicular bisector. Okay, it can be seen by SSS congruent criteria. SSS means side congruency जो है, that we have to show. Here we are going to consider the two triangles AOD and COD. AOD and COD. These are the two triangles we are going to consider. हमारे पास क्या क्या है? As this diagonal is bisector, so AO is equal to OC that we are having. Then measure angle AOD. Triangle AOD is equal to COD. Measure angle AOD. AOD is equal to COD, isn't it? AO is equal to CO. Why? Because it is a what is the property? Diagonal bisect each other. Then AD is equal to CD. AD is equal to CD. Why? Because all sides of rhombus are equal in length. This is equal to this is equal to this is equal to this. So that's why AD is equal to CD and OD is equal to OD, because that is a OD is equal to OD. Where is OD? This is a same side, making this two. OD is equal to OD because OD and OB are same. That's why OD is equal to OD, क्योंकि दोनों की एक जो बीच वाली साइड है वो सेम है, दोनों की ट्रायंगल की सेम ही है. सो OD इज इक्वल टू OD. सो दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टी SSS. तीन साइड्स इक्वल हो गए. AO इज इक्वल टू OC, AD is equal to DC and OD is equal to OD. This is SSS. This is called SSS property. Okay, have you understood? So as triangle AOD is congruent to COD, measure angle AOD is equal to COD. Okay, since AOD is equal to COD, that is a linear pair. Linear pair यानी making a they are supplementary. So both are equal, means if this is x and if this is x, both angle if we consider, then it is 180 degrees होते हैं, linear है यानी. Okay, so both the angles, as these two sides are equal, their two angles are also equal, that is a right angle. Measure angle AOD is equal to measure angle COD, that is a 90 degrees because that is a linear pair. Okay, तो ये ऐसे हो गया, that is this is a rhombus and the diagonals are perpendicular bisector, that we have proved. Now example 7 is given. What is given? Rice is a rhombus, find x y z, justify your finding. यहाँ पे उन्होंने दिया है that this rice RICE is a rhombus, that is given. Okay, and they have they said to find out x y z. What is x? This is x side, this is y side and this is z side. आपको उसकी लेंथ फाइंड आउट करनी है. What is given? ER is given, that is 13. अगर ER 13 है तो EC, EI and IR are same. Why? Because it is a rhombus. All sides of rhombus are equal. Okay, solution कैसे लिखना है? First x is, what is x? X is OE. Then y क्या है? That you have to, what you have to find out? Y is OR and z is RI or IR. Anyhow you can write it. Okay, z is given to z you have to find out. दिया क्या है? CO is given, that is 12 and RE is given, that is 13. Okay, so solution is x is equal to OE, y is equal to OR and z is a side of rhombus. This is a side of rhombus. One side is given 13, so RI, that is z is what? Z is also 13. That all sides of यहाँ पे आपको रीजन ऐसे लिखना है, all sides of rhombus are equal. Okay, then OR is a diagonal. These are the diagonals and they bisect each other. What is the property of rhombus? Diagonals bisect each other. That's why OR is equal to what? OC. OR is equal to OC and OC given as 12. That's why OR is also 12. Okay, then OE is equal to OI. OE is equal to OI. OI is given as 5, so OE is also 5. Why? Diagonal bisect each other. Have you got this? So this is a very simple example they have given you. Rectangle properties we have seen. Here also, what is the extra property? That is, these all angles are 90. ये कैसे find out करने हैं? As rectangle is a quadrilateral, what is the property of quadrilateral? All angles of quadrilateral are 360. That's why x, this is given x, 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 x. All angles are same. Rectangle के all angles same होते हैं या parallelogram के. So x plus x plus x plus x कितने हो गए? 360. x यानी 4x is equal to 360. So x is equal to 90. Have you got this? How it becomes 90? That's why rectangle is a parallelogram in which every angle is a right angle. So opposite sides are equal in length and its diagonal bisect each other. Here if we see the diagonal bisect each other and the opposite sides are of equal in length, which is the property of parallelogram also. Next we are going to see about the, यहाँ पे हमें देखना है कि और एक प्रॉपर्टी है डायगोनल की, दैट इज द डायगोनल्स आर ऑफ इक्वल लेंथ. ओके, ये जो है ये प्रॉपर्टी ये आपको ध्यान में रखनी है, ऑल द प्रॉपर्टीज. सो वन मोर प्रॉपर्टी दे हैव प्रूव्ड. कैसे प्रूव होती है? इफ वी सी ए बी सी डी रेक्टेंगल, देयर इज ए बी डी एंड ए बी सी. दिस इज अ राइट ट्रायंगल एंड दिस इज अ राइट ट्रायंगल. ओके, that we have proved already, that is every angle is 90 degrees. That's why DAB is a right angle and CBA is a right angle. So these two, see, this is one triangle and this is one triangle which are right triangles. So we can see that triangle ABC is congruent to ABD. देखो DAB नहीं लिखा है, ABD. Why? Because AB is a common side which is common to both triangles. That's why it is AB is equal to AB. Next AD is equal to, AD is equal to, मैं वापस बताती हूँ. AB is a this is a triangle 1 and this is a triangle 2. ABD and ABC, these are the two right triangles. Triangle ABD is equal to ABC, congruent. Okay, why? Because side angle side is a property. How? Because AB is a common side, AD is equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to ABC. Okay, these both the angles are same. That's why triangle ABD is congruent to ABC. Have you got this? The congruency is of SAS criteria. Thus इसके लिए AC is equal to BD. This is the proof, that is proved by the SAS criteria. AC is equal to BD. That what is AC and BD? These are the diagonals. They are of equal in length. That's why it is proved that diagonals of rectangle are equal in length. Related to this, some examples are given. I will explain you this example. That RENT is a rectangle. Its diagonal meet at O. Find x if OR is equal to, see, OR is equal to 2x plus 4 and OT is 3x plus 1. If these two sides are given, you have to find out the x. Okay, how to find out the x? So solution, as this is a rectangle, we had RN is equal to TE. Diagonals bisect each other and they are equal in length. As TE is half, OT is half of TE and OR is half of RN. बराबर है ना? So that's why we can write it as their halves. If the diagonals are equal, then their halves are also equal. उसका मिड पॉइंट है ये, तो ये दोनों भी इक्वल हो गए. अगर पूरी की पूरी साइड सेम है, ये हमने बोला कि ये हाफ है और ये हाफ है, देन दोनों भी सेम हो गई. दैट्स वाई OR इज इक्वल टू OT. तो OR कितना है? 2x प्लस 4 इज इक्वल टू 3x प्लस, ये हमने लिखा 3x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 4. That's why 3x, ये 2x इधर गया, जैसे कि हमने लीनियर इक्वेशन सीखा है. सो 3x minus 2x is x and 4, ये जो प्लस 1 है वो गया राइट साइड पे, दैट इज 4 minus 1 is 3. सो x is 3. Have you got this? Next is square. So what are the properties of square that we are going to see here? And is it same with the parallelogram? Okay, square की properties क्या है? All the four sides are equal, all four angles are of 90 degrees and the four angles are same in length. Diagonals bisect each other and they are perpendicular bisector. So rhombus और square के जो diagonals होते हैं that are perpendicular bisectors. So that you have to keep in mind the properties of square. So on the basis of this, we are going to solve the 3.4 exercise. Okay, state whether true or false all rectangles are square. यानी अगर rectangles लिए तो are they same with the square, यानी rectangles के properties जो है वो same square से मिलती है क्या? Okay, so like this all the questionnaire is there, 3.4. This is only 6 questions are there. Along with this I am going to give you the solution also because this is the last exercise remained. So along with this questions, that is exercise 3.4, I am going to give you the solution also. So till then, bye and see you.